Well, I have some things to say about this Manny by Me box. Yep, sure do. First color in it is Whimsy. It's a beautiful blue, a little bit of a jelly texture to it with some violet shimmers through it. And then we have Folklore. Very pretty gray creme. It's kind of in between Stormcloud, like their darkest and their medium gray. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. And these plates are awesome. I love fantasy stuff. I read fantasy books all the time. I absolutely love these plates. I was very excited about these. I love how it has the backgrounds where you can go in and then reverse stamp the critters and put them on top of the backgrounds. It's freaking awesome. Look at how cool these designs are. And when I tell y'all I'm a big fantasy geek, I mean it. Like, I played World of Warcraft. I played Final Fantasy 11 and 14 online. I actually met my husband gaming. That's a whole other thing. But a lot of this was very much reminiscent to me of different fantasy type video games I've played. I adore it. I think these images are awesome. There's a little fairy here, a bunch of dragons. This castle up on a rock, that is my favorite one. I can see that one in my head, and I'll tell you what I would do with that later in the video. Absolutely love these. I can see how these could be split apart and used in little smaller things. I love the Leviathan. I love the water creatures. We've got centaurs and satyrs and fairies. Oh my, there's three-headed dogs. It's really cool. Very much into it. Very much love the designs on it. It's a great concept. Very Maniology type concept where they kind of push the envelope and don't always do girly cutesy stuff. So I absolutely love this. And then, of course, the bonus item is these rainbow nail art brushes. I'm super stoked about these, too. I had no idea I would get so excited about them until I saw them in the box. And they have the most super fine tip that I think I've seen on any brush. These tips might even be smaller and pointier than the 106 brush. They're very nice looking. And if you need tips on hand painting and striping and that kind of stuff, go check out Robin Moses Nail Art. She is phenomenal. She does most of her painting with acrylic paint, but acrylic's very cheap if that's something you want to get into. You can find acrylic paints for like 99 cents at Walmart. They don't have to be fancy for nail art. You can buy cheaper ones and they'll work just fine. Love these. Very excited about these. So I'm going to take the plate off, or the film off the plate, and then we're going to go through and kind of swatch everything. I have noticed lately when cleaning Maniology plates that a lot of these designs are getting kind of scratchy. Like they're kind of catching on cotton and not quite as good as they normally are. We're going to use the monocle stamper for the swatches because it is very good at doing straight lines. So I'm going to go ahead, go in, pick up this image. It's very detailed. That's why I picked this one. She kind of reminds me of like a Maleficent looking character, kind of like an evil queen. Love her. Now you won't be able to see all the designs on this because this color does not show up great over black, but look at it over the white. It's absolutely gorgeous. It picked up perfectly. Like, that is pretty. You can see the violet kind of shimmers a little bit on the black part of this swatch. But overall, I would say not a good one for a black polish. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the gray, go in and do the same thing, same swatch. I like to compare these to each other because this one is a straight creme. So I wanted to see, like, how does this show up over black, etc., etc. And it's not bad. I mean, you can definitely see it. So if you wanted a subtle manicure, it would work for you. But it picked up great. The design, again, gorgeous. I have short nails, y'all. That's the elephant in the room. My nails broke. All of them. It's wintertime. It's my Christmas gift every year. Every year between November and December, my nails just crap out and start breaking and go to hell. I mean, that's just it's blunt. You know, I can't be nice about it. They break every freaking year as soon as the weather turns cold. It pisses me off. It's incredibly irritating. I try to stop it every year and it doesn't stop. So then I get these plates that are absolutely awesome. Like, they're right up my alley. This is what I would want to play with. And the images are too big for all my nails. And y'all, my nails are short, but they're not that short. So there's like a couple that fit, but I guess the best thing is just for me to try to show you what I did with it. So what I would have done had my nails been longer is taken this image up here with the castle on top of the stone. I would have reverse painted all that. I would have done an ombre in the background that was like pink and purple with glitter and all that stuff to make it look like stars and a galaxy behind it. And then I would have placed a dragon on there down by the pond. There's so many images on here, y'all, that are so freaking awesome. But here's the problem, and I'm just going to be honest with you how I feel about this. As a YouTuber, I'm not going to waste my time trying to force something that's not going to work just to show it to people. And I'm just being honest. It would have been a waste of my time to try this. It would have made me very irritated because nothing was fitting right. So if you have short nails, I'm going to say for certain this box is not for you. Or at least it wasn't for me with my nails right now with how short it is. I love the box. I'm going to keep it. I will definitely play with this in the future when my nails are longer and I can really get in there and do some detailed stuff. Definitely not a beginner's box in my opinion, but I absolutely love the design. I was just so disappointed that I couldn't use it. I couldn't use it. There was nothing in there for me except for those nail art brushes and the polish. Nothing on the plates. So disappointed, but also in love. So let me know what you think below. Sorry I don't have any actual art for you. Just didn't happen this time. Let me know what you think if you're going to use it again. Thank you so much for being here. And thank you to everyone who helped me get to 1K subscribers. You're awesome. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.